Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a SHEIN haul, and this time this video isn't sponsored. I actually bought all of these items with my own money. So we've got some accessories, some home items and some clothing items here for you guys today. A lot of which are from the Care Bears X SHEIN collection. Of course, I am absolutely obsessed with that collection on SHEIN. So yeah, as usual, this is going to be a completely honest review on SHEIN. I have worked with SHEIN many times in the past before, but I am just a big fan of SHEIN anyways. I have been for many years before I started working with them. I was actually on SHEIN to buy some gifts for my mum's birthday, which is coming up this week, so I just used that as an excuse to buy myself a load of stuff as well. So yeah, let's get right into today's haul. So before we get into trying on some clothing items, I want to show you guys all the home pieces and all the accessories that I got here first. So we're going to start off with this Care Bears mug, and I don't know why I got myself another mug because I am quite the mug collector. I've got a lot of different mugs, but I saw this Care Bears one and I just thought, oh my gosh, I have to add this to my collection since I am a Care Bears freak. I mean, look, I've got all of these Care Bears clips, I've got a Care Bears top on right now, Care Bears bedding, Care Bears pillow, I've got Care Bears rug, I've got Care Bears everything at this point. So I obviously had to get the mug as well. And purple is my absolute favourite colour, so obviously I had to get a purple Care Bears mug. And it is actually quite big, it's much bigger than I thought it was going to be. But when this arrived, it was covered in polystyrene, so it had a lot of protection in transit. So I've got no chips, no breaks or anything here. I absolutely love it. I'm very pleased with this mug. I'm going to be drinking a lot of tea with this because I do consume a lot of tea throughout the day. And I got a bunch of socks from SHEIN. So the first pair of socks are not Care Bears themed, they're just these pink frilly socks because recently I got myself a pair of Hello Kitty sliders and I just wanted a pair of frilly socks to go with them because I feel like cutesy socks would go with Hello Kitty sliders. These are just one size, so there's no sizing to these socks, but that's never an issue for me because I have quite small feet anyways. I mean, they've got like a knitted design down the middle here just to add to the cutesiness of it, and of course these little mesh frills. I just love them, they're very cutesy, and they're actually from ROMWE. I think they're from the ROMWE Kawaii section, so these are like Kawaii themed socks. And here we are, the Care Bears themed socks. I did sort of hint earlier that I did get some Care Bears themed socks. So we've got some purple ones. I'm not sure which Care Bear this is, but it's got like a little ice cream sundae on the front. And like I said, purple is one of my favourite colours, so I love these. And I know what Care Bear this is because I have her on my rug and on my pillow. And this is Love A Lot Bear with the pink pair of socks. And of course we've got Tenderheart with these brown pair of socks. And then we've got Grumpy Bear blue pair of socks, and I've got a blue t-shirt with Grumpy Bear on it, which will go perfectly with this pair of socks. And these are just ankle socks, so they're not full socks, they're sort of like slip-on socks. And also these are one size as well, but again that's not really an issue with me because I have quite small feet anyways. They actually feel quite sturdy as well and like good quality. I was not expecting that, to be honest, because a lot of ankle socks that I've got from SHEIN before, they're sort of quite flimsy and they're not really great quality. But I'm really loving the quality of these. They definitely feel very sturdy and like they've got like quite a thick fabric, and I'm loving the designs on them too with the different Care Bears on as well. That is just so cute. And the next items that I want to show you guys are these pin badges that I got, and I was expecting these to be a lot smaller because I was going to put them on my coat. I've already got one pin badge on my coat and it's of a Louis Tomlinson quote, which I also got from SHEIN, and I thought that these would go with them since I love Care Bears so much, and I thought I could put them on my coat as like a decoration. But these are kind of big. Like, I didn't expect them to be so big, but I was thinking of putting them up as like room decor because over there somewhere, I'm not sure if it's in frame right now, I have a Loki for President badge up on my wall, and I just put a pin in my wall and hung the badge up. So I think I'm going to do that with these as well. So here we've got Cheer Bear, which is one of my favourite Care Bears because she is very colourful and pink obviously. And I'm not sure what Care Bear this one is, but yeah, this is very cutesy and it's got a little star on his belly. And then we have a Sunshine Bear as well, so cute. I absolutely love the yellow. I'm not sure if the camera will pick up on this, but they've got sort of a sparkly overlay over the top of the designs as well, which I think is a very cute addition to them. I think they're going to be really nice for my room decor. So the next few items that I'm going to show you are all accessories, and we're going to be starting off with earrings. And can you believe it? I have no Care Bears earrings, like not one piece of Care Bear jewelry. I can't believe that. So obviously I had to fix that and get myself some Care Bears earrings. So this is the first Care Bears earrings pack that I got myself. I got these 2 stud earrings, one that is just a heart with the Care Bears logo on it, and these 2 different color Care Bear earrings, which I think is so cute. And I'm actually thinking of dyeing my hair pink and blue soon, so that's definitely going to go with when my hair is pink and blue. And then we've got Cheer Bear here, and like I said, I absolutely love Cheer Bear, one of my favorite Care Bears, because of how colorful she is, and she's pink. And I love dangly earrings as well, so I absolutely love these, and I think that's what drew me to these in the first place. And here is another set of Care Bears earrings that I got, which are much bigger than I expected them to be, which is actually better. Like, I love big dangly earrings, so I'm very pleased with these. And we've got Sunshine Bear, we've got Love A Lot Bear here, which, like I said, I've got a lot of home decor with Love A Lot Bear on. And I'm not sure what this Care Bear is called, but she is also on that pair of socks that I got as well, that I showed you guys. You might remember that from earlier. But I also love that she's a purple Care Bear, because lilac purple is one of my favorite colors, and she's got a cute little sundae on her belly as well. And like I said, I'm really pleased that these were bigger than I thought they were going to be, because I love my dangly earrings. As you guys can tell, I love my unique dangly earrings, and the bigger the better in my opinion. So yeah, I'm very pleased with these. I love the fact that I now have some Care Bears jewelry, because I feel like it was just wrong that I didn't have them before. So it's really nice to add these to my earrings collection. So we're on to the last pieces of accessories for this haul, and they are all Care Bears items. But before that, I just want to show you guys a Care Bears themed item, which I got to go with these items, if that makes sense. So I got this plus size silver chain belt. I've been looking for a chain belt that I can hook key rings onto and sort of spice up my outfits with cute little key rings, and I thought if we could get like a chain belt to sort of hide underneath the waistband of the skirt that I'm wearing, and then I can hook some keychains onto it. And that sort of brings me on to the next few items, which are some Care Bears keychains. And this first Care Bears keychain is a Cheer Bear themed one, and it's got like a plush, which I think is just so cute, and then this little acrylic charm as well with Cheer Bear on. And the actual keychain can be undone like this. You just pull it like that and it's undone, and then you put this through like that, and you can pull it to how tight or how loose you want it to be. And on this silver belt that I got, all I'd have to do is just put that through here and put it through here like that, and then I'll have a cute keychain to sort of spice up the outfit that I'm wearing, and just to add something cutesy to the skirt that I'm wearing as well. And then I got a couple of other key rings, and they're just like normal metal key rings. And I got this Sleepy Bear one. I'm not sure if that's his name, but he is sleeping on a cloud. Yeah, it's got Sleepy Bear charm, a little plush pom-pom with the Care Bears logo on as well. And like I said, this has just got a normal metal keychain. And we've also got this lilac Care Bear keychain as well with the Care Bears logo on it too. And this is just a clasp metal keychain, so you just undo the clasp here and then click it back up when you want to close it. So yeah, that is 3 new Care Bears keychains, and I'm planning on getting more, not Care Bears themed, but just cutesy ones in general, like some little plushes or whatever, because I've seen on Pinterest like other people who dress in kawaii style, they tend to have like plush key rings or just like cute little charms like this on, like attached to a belt. And I just thought this would be a cute idea and a sort of a cute addition to my outfits. So I only got a couple of clothing pieces from SHEIN, and all of these are in a size 4XL. I just thought I'd start off by saying that. And we are starting off with this orange print summer dress, and I was looking for an orange print dress in particular because I have a filter mask that has an orange like citrus print, and I wanted to do like an outfit that would match the mask. So I wanted to get a dress that would match the mask, and I found this one and it's perfect. I'll show you what the mask looks like and see what you guys think. I mean, it's not exactly the same print,
but I definitely do think the two are going to go together really well. And basically I just wanted to create a styling video with the mask and do like an outfit matching the mask, because I feel like not a lot of people are masking these days, and I feel like it's still really important that you should, because COVID is still rampant out there. And even though the media don't talk about it a lot, there is a lot of families, including mine, that COVID has basically ruined. I haven't really stepped foot out of my house or interacted with anybody since 2020, and a lot of you might not know that, but it is the truth, and it's basically how I'm living my life right now. All to protect my little brother who has severe immunity problems, and so many other disabled people are also trying to protect their loved ones as well. So yeah, I highly encourage you to wear a mask. I'm sorry, I'm taking a little bit of a tangent here. The pattern on this dress is absolutely stunning. It's definitely given summer vibes with the citrus pattern, and the fit of it is great as well. It fits around the bust really well, and that's usually an issue for me with dresses where the bust isn't big enough for my bust, but yeah, that's not a problem here. I love the little frills on the skirt as well. It adds a bit of cutesiness to the dress, and the flappy sleeves gives it a bit of a cutesy vibe as well. The dress is also shirred around the back, so it gives a little bit of wriggle room as well, and it makes it easier just to slip on. The length on me isn't too bad as well. The length isn't too long, it's not too short. It's definitely a summer dress kind of length. It's flowy, it's breathable, it's perfect to wear in the summer, and again, it's going to go great with that mask that I've got as well. And it's going to be a really good sort of message to put out there on my Instagram too, like doing the styling video with the mask. I've had my eye on this Care Bears summer print pajama set for a really long time. I kind of wanted to get it because I thought it would be perfect for the summer, for the hotter months, if we actually do get any hot weather in the UK this year. It's basically this white pajama set with the outlines of Care Bears faces throughout. It's very colourful as well. It's like we're given rainbow. And to add some cuteness to the overall design, we've got some pink lace around the hem of the shorts and some pink lace around the chest as well, which I think is just a cutesy little addition. The fabric is very comfortable, very breathable. The shorts are elasticated at the waist for some more comfort and also some more wriggle room. A great thing about the top is that it has adjustable straps, which is perfect because not a lot of SHEIN crop tops have adjustable straps, and I feel like that the fact that this has adjustable straps would make it more comfortable to wear for nightwear, because you can actually fit it to the shape of your shoulders. Also, the cool thing about the top in this pajama set is that you can actually pair it with just normal outfits, because it just looks like a normal crop top. Like the shorts are definitely given pajama shorts, but that top, you can actually pair it like with all sorts of different outfits. And honestly, I think I'd be more inclined to do that, because the top is like without a bra. My boobs will be falling out the bottom of that. So I feel like I'd be more inclined to wear that top as part of an outfit, and as more of a daytime lounge set rather than something that I'd sleep in, because I'd definitely be falling out of that top. But still, it's the perfect set to wear on a summer's day, especially if you're just lounging around at home, or you could just wear this out if you want to be honest, nobody's going to stop you. Yeah, I love how comfortable this set is, and I love the outlines of the Care Bears as well. I think that's a very unique design, and I just love the bright colours too. Okay, so we're now onto the last piece of clothing that I got, and it's this cute kitty top. It has this little design on the front that says Kitty Queen, and if you know me, I have to own everything with a cat pattern or a cat design on it. I was just drawn to this because of the cat design basically. It's sort of a half normal t-shirt, sort of a half crop top, because it sort of sits just at where my belly button is, so it's kind of short, so it's not really a full top, but it's also not a cropped top either. However, the fabric is really stretchy and comfortable. I also think this particular top fits in with my own personal style, because I tend to lean more towards kawaii style and cutesy styles, and this definitely fits in within that. I also love the design choices that they went with for this top. I love the slightly puffy sleeves and the lace around the hem of the sleeves and around the hem of the chest area as well. I just think that adds such a cutesy vibe to it. Also, I wanted to get more tops like this, like form-fitting tops that I can wear with high-waisted leggings. I'm the type of person to wear like black leggings on a day-to-day basis, and I just wanted to get some more tops like this that would just spice up a really simple outfit like that, like a leggings and top kind of outfit. But I just wanted to also scream my kind of style, like kawaii and cutesy kind of style, and this definitely gives that. Overall, I absolutely love it. I especially adore the cat print.
So that is everything that I've got to review for you guys from SHEIN. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please remember to give it a big thumbs up because it really does help out my YouTube channel. And if you're interested in plus size fashion, beauty and makeup, then remember to subscribe to my channel because that is everything that I do here. And even though this isn't a sponsored video, I do have a code with SHEIN that you guys can use if you want to get yourself some money off your order, and that'll be on the screen for you guys right now. I don't actually earn any commission or anything on this code. I did have somebody try to have a go at me on Facebook about this. I don't actually earn anything from this code. This is just for you guys to use if you want to, basically. And if you like the look of anything that I reviewed in today's video, then I'll link everything in the description box below for you guys. And if you want to check out any of my other social medias, including TikTok, Facebook, Instagram or Snapchat, then there'll be a link to my link tree in the caption below for you guys as well if you want to check out any of those. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!